To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Pull upwards to unclip the cord. Remove the weather strips. Lift the panel off of the cowling. Pry off the base securing tab. In the back, there will be teeth locked into holes that you will have to lift to remove. Remove the filters and frame by unclipping the side tabs and pull the frame out. Remove the filters from the frame by pushing outwards. Install your new AQ1234 filters into the tray by threading one filter through, then laying the other in the tray. Fold the filters with their airflow indicating arrows pointing at each other. Place the filters and the frame back into the housing. Make sure the housing is fully flushed and press down to secure the housing. Reinstall the cover by aligning the tabs and slide to lock it into place. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Reinstall the cord clip. Reinstall the weather strips. Close the hood.